like
यार हो गया। I think it's about suggesting the things to REC, something like that.
Music.
Yeah, it's an event, company event wherein like we have to like tell them what our ideas are and then we have to talk about business.
तब लोग वैसे आते हैं अपने अपने डिस्क छोड़ के और
so basically town hall gives us that how's the company performing, and basically the best part is the daru.
It's something lighter, something like beer or something that's exciting. So
हम सिर्फ बियर पीते सेव वाटर ड्रिंक बियर दैट्स आवर मोटो
beer and office might go together, but not something hard.
Usually in our town hall, leadership used to gather and conduct few sessions with the batch and everyone.
In my previous organization I haven't gone through from this situation, so I'm not pretty much sure about this.
We give awards also those who have outperformed themselves from their past achievements, like what we have progressed ahead, what we have improved ahead.
मैं तो तेरे को हरामी समझता था तो राम निकला रे देव मानुस निकला रे
As per my understanding, along with that, there will some like activity or something. Like there should be a 50-50 or it will be a 50-50.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो
50% of business ideas and 50% of fun.
Experience share करते हैं, what are the achievements we have achieved, then what should be the company's goal. It's an annual gathering.
Town hall is kind of a gathering of all the employees where they all come together and they just I don't know, I mean sharing the experience and what the company's goal, what the achievements they do, that's all in the town hall.
No, we just enjoy the party, that's it.
All the entire employee of our organizations be together, greet, right from our CEO level to our associate level, they interact. A lot of things happen.
There should be some interactions, like like even meeting type interactions.
Just like a fun activity, having some sort of soft drinks.
वो town hall is nothing but where people get together and talk on the stuff that matters, that matters.
Party, dancing, everything. It would be fun.
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे